I'm vlogging, don't mind me.
Channel 955.
That's the kids. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a seat right here. Boom, boom, bam.
Or a flat surface, but somewhere I'll see you. Maybe you go here, so we'll see you. You'll be the tail end. Okay. I'm going to give you these. There are going to be a few things that we have replacement shades for, because there's certain pigments that they were out of. Okay. So when we have a replacement shade, I'll let you know what it is. And there's a couple things that you can send that will be coming later in the week. When they sent me the invoice for this, I told them there was a few things that didn't get shipped, so they shipped it 2 days ago. So it should be here hopefully today. So please write your name on these because I'm going to put them in the back. So I don't have a pen.
I'll go get mine. Okay. So this is I guess the checklist or the inventory of everything that's going into our makeup kit. Okay, you can't write our name where.
Of course, I wrote my name so far to the, like, so close to the edge of the paper.
One by one. But Emma, say hi to my vlog.
We have to ask her. Hi, Sunshine. Keeping it tight.
Say hi to my vlog. To get this soaked off my nails immediately. Y'all see this? This is ugly. This is disgusting.
Is anyone else missing a blender?
Of course, the salon area. Is this salon area? Say hi to my vlog.
Hi vlog.
These are the makeup remover wipes. This is most of the makeup kit that we have. This isn't even everything. But it's crazy because I ended up getting my first client today and I wasn't even trying to. So I'll say hi. So I'm gonna do like a little light look for her because she's getting her makeup, well, she got her hair done. And these are my brushes right here. We're gonna get some more. But yeah, so we just about to go ahead and beat this face. I'm nervous, so don't judge me if I don't do a really good job. And she has a pair of Galactic Glam lashes too. So these are my lashes from my beauty company, okay? All right, so I'm gonna keep y'all posted on the process. Peace.